Everyone, welcome back to the today's session on speech, Azure AI speech services. Okay, so if you have missed the previous sessions on the AI 900 labs, please go and check that. It's a complete demo series. I'll be showing you the demo, not the theoretical part. Okay, so all the if you have missed the previous sessions, you can watch that here in this playlist AI 900 lab demos. So here it will be there. Please go and watch that. Subscribe to my channel and attend my live session. So it will be every day at 9 o'clock p.m. IST. So you can watch that. Okay. So by the end, I'll be telling you how to get 50 percentage off for your coupon. Sorry, for off for your certification. So please stay till the end to learn about it. So let us talk about speech services. What is actually a speech and why do we need it? Okay. So the speech service in Azure is a cloud-based service that provides advanced speech capabilities such as speech to text, text to speech, and speech translation. So it also allowed developers to add speech recognition and synthesis to their application, making the more interactive and accessible thing. So today we'll be learning about how to do that. Okay, so it's this demo is based on AI 900. That is a demo which is given in AI 900, where future I'm planning for the customized one, and you can build your own thing and deploy that into your application as well. Okay, so what is speech to text, which means that your spoken language will be written in a text. You might have seen that in when you use your Microsoft Word or something, and it supports a real-time transcription and batch transcription of audio files as well. Even if you are using Teams, you can see transcribe, where whatever you speak, that will be transcribed there. Okay, so text to speech means it will convert your text into a spoken language. Okay, and speech translation, where you can your language, like if you are talking in English which you wanted to translate into a Tamil or Hindi or any other language, that will be translated. And speaker recognition, it will identify and verify speakers based on the voice. Okay, so let us get started with the speech recognition today. So for that, you have to anyhow you need a resource group, which I've already created. You have to create a resource group here, or else you can go on the go. Okay, so I'm just going to search for speech. Okay, so you can find speech services here. Okay, this is the speech services, which is Azure AI services. Okay, cognitive service. So if you click on the speech services, you have to create that. Okay, you have to create the resource for the speech services. So just click on this create. Okay, so once if you click create, it will ask you for the group. I have already created my resource group like Azure AI 900 lab. Okay, if you don't have one, you can just click here create new. Okay, and you have to select the region, what region in you wanted to use, and the name for that, Azure speech demo. I'm just clicking giving Azure speech demo. And you can either go with a free standard free, or if you are using a free credit, you can go ahead with the free. If you are using a paid one, you can use the standard credit as well. Okay, so just go ahead with either way, like whatever you have. And you can see the full pricing here. Okay, you can find full pricing, like if you want to know, if you want to go with the bulk services, or if you want to understand what how much you can utilize in free or paid one, you can go ahead and check here. Okay, so this is the speech to text, which is the standard 5 audio hours per month. 5 audio hours. 5 audio hours per month, endpoint hosting, one model free per month. Okay, so these are all the things which are there for speech to text. Okay, this is for speech to text, text to speech, what is there. Okay, everything you can find it here. Okay, so now let us just click on this review and create. Okay, it will review all your data which you have entered. Just click review and create, and wait for some time. You can see running final validation. It will validate whether all your inputs are fine, whether you're good to go. Everything will be checked now, and you can go ahead and select, if it is ready, you can just click create here. Now you can see that your validation is fine. If it is not fine, then it will show you some error. Okay, so you can just click on the create. Okay, So you have to wait for the deployment. It will deploy initially, and then it will show you the final result. See here, it is showing submitting deployment. Okay, so once it is deployed, it will show you like the success message, and it will show you. So this is a cognitive service, because we are working on AI. Okay, so here you can find, once it is created, it will show you the success message here. Deployment is in progress, and the success message will be displayed here. So your deployment is completed, and you can go to resource here. Okay, so just click on the resource, it will take you to the resource. So you have various options. Speech studios, so you have to select go to speech studio. Okay, so here you have speech studio. Click on the go to speech studio, it will take you to the speech studio. So everything has its own studios, right? Like from the first session we are seeing language studio. Then next one is what, speech. For speech we have a separate studio. For everything we have a separate one. Okay, for document intelligence we have that as a separate document intelligence studio. So we can use from that particular studio. Anyhow, we are supposed to create a resource for everything. Okay, so here you can see this is what the language. Okay, this is what the speech studio, sorry. So here you can see captioning with the speech, post call transcription, live chat, avatar, video, and if you just scroll down, you can see speech to text. Okay, real time speech to text, whisper model in Azure OpenAI services. So you can try out this services if you want. Batch speech at to text, you have a custom speech project as well. You can create a custom speech project. Probably we will look this later after we complete all the lab exercises. Okay, so we are going to see this real time speech to text. Okay, so let us click here, real time speech to text. Once if you click, it will ask you to upload. Okay, you can upload it. Ensure that you have selected the proper resource group. You have to check this. Okay, this acknowledgement, this should be checked, and here you should find your resource which you have created. If it is not properly selected, you have to choose a different resource from here. What is a language model? Let us go with English. Okay, I have a audio here. Okay, let us see what is the audio is all about. So if you just click there, you can hear what is this audio. We are going to just upload this audio. Okay, okay, it's in mute.
People to overcome physical disadvantages, empower smart infrastructure, create incredible entertainment experiences, and
uh,
even save the planet.
okay, so this is what actually the audio here. We are going to upload this audio. So let us click on this browse file. You can see here, this is, you can upload the audio here, and you can see the test result as well. Okay, so let us click on this browse file, and let us select desktop, and my speech file is here selected. Okay, so what happens is, what your audio file is processing. You can see this is what the name of my file. So what it will do is, what it will just process this file. So this speech file, what we are trying to do, real time speech to text, whatever the speech, it will be converted and it will show me as the text. Okay, so let us play this. So you can see here that the text has been disabled. Okay, so sorry, the text is available here based on the content, and whenever the voice is happening, like you can see that whenever the voice started to play, the words will be highlighted. Okay, I'm just showing you again here when what happens. Just look at each and every voice. Okay, you can see, right? So it is highlighting the word. So empower, now they are talking about empower, so it is highlighting the word for us. Okay, so this is how actually this AI real time speech to text works. Okay, so you can even look into the JSON file, like how it has actually extracted. So what is the word it found, what is the offset and the duration, what is the word in which offset it found, and what is the duration, everything you can see here clearly. Okay, and you can also see that this is what Azure AI speech, and what is the resource key. You can find the resource key here. Common scenario, like what are the others common scenario, like if you want to caption some speech. Okay, let us click on this, try captioning the word. You can also do the real time captioning as well. Okay, there are a lot of options available under your AI, that is this in Speech Studio. Okay, let us see. In the Speech Studio you have captioning with the speech, which is actually they are recently adding everything. So this is video translation, which is in the preview. Live chat avatar, which is also under preview. Post call transcription analytics, everything are here. If you want to go with the batch speech to text, like if you want to upload a bulk speech and you want to convert it into text, that is also possible. Custom speech, pronunciation assessment, speech, and speech translation. Okay, so anything, like you can just click on, if you want to try out, just click on the thing. Okay, and you can you have to give, like if you want to go ahead with the speech translation. So this is basically in English United States, and if you want to convert, how you have to translate it. Okay, so I'm just searching for the available thing, so I'm just making it into Tamil. Okay, let us see, like I'm uploading the same file here, upload it, and it is uploading. So you can see this is a translated text. Okay, you can find it is translating. Okay, so you can see that it is translating the text completely, and you can also see the original text here. Okay, so let us play this. Okay, the same thing, but it has translated into Tamil, so how we want it. Okay, so likewise you can use this, and you can use the API and use this particular string translation service into your any of the applications. Okay, it's very easy to use that. Okay, let us see one more thing. Okay, let us see, like video translation, which is a preview mode, right? Okay, we have to upload a file here. So I'll upload a file. Okay, so I'm trying to upload a file, which a small clip from one of my favorite movie. Okay, Good Dinosaur, and whatever is mandatory, you can just give that. Okay, file name, and you can go ahead with the pre-built natural voice. The personal for personal voice we don't have the access, because still this is in a preview mode. Okay, so pre-built natural voice, I'm just going ahead with that. And how you have, what you have to translate. So again, I'm just going, okay, let me go ahead with the Hindi. Okay, I acknowledge that the video translation will occur, usage charges to my account, and accept. Okay, you have to accept the code of the conduct for Azure AI speech services. Okay, these are all the mandatory fields. You can see you have to browse the file and upload, and the file should be under 500 MB, which is less than 60 minutes. So ensure that it's not more than 60 minutes. And then you can see, that the file name, you have to give the file name, you have to give the description, voice type, and everything. So voice type, you cannot go ahead with the like your own voice. And finally, you have to tell what is the translation and everything. Just click on create. If you want to see the pricing, you can just go ahead and see the pricing. Click create. Your uploading will be in the process. Meanwhile, we will just go ahead and check the pricing here. So you can see is a standard 5 audio hours per month, custom 5 audio hours free per month. So all these things, these are all the pricing. And you can find the speech to text from video. So here you can see it is creating a project, it is processing, it is taking some time. Okay, so just let us wait for that. You have only 5 minutes to go for the processing. Meanwhile, I'll tell you the process for applying or getting your 50 percentage voucher. Okay, so first one is you have to go and subscribe here, and the second one is you can check for Microsoft Learn Expert. Okay, so you can find me here. Click on this particular link. Okay, this is a learning room link. I'll be sharing that in your comment section, so please go and check that in the comment section. So if you click on that learning room, you can see Okay, this is my learning room, AI and enterprise business application dynamics. So click this and submit your form here. Okay, once you have submitted, connect with me, and I'll be sharing the 50% coupon code. These all steps are free. Okay, there is no charges for that. You can just avail this. Okay, and if you require any personal guidance, okay, on certification process, what certification you wanted to do, how you can proceed with your career, and if you want me to conduct any mock interview, career guidance, I can do that. The link is in the description, please go and check that. And this is my blog. Okay, in this blog I'll be updating all the quizzes for these models. Okay, content safety, you can see here this is quiz on understanding language model, AI 900 quiz, choosing classification and clustering. So you can find lot of quizzes here, so you can just try that and check. There is no login required for this quiz, you just wanted to attend and you can find the result there itself. Okay, on the correct answers as well there itself. So you can follow my blog so that you can find a lot of useful informations here. Okay, let us see whether it is, yes, it is succeeded. Let us click on this project. So this is the first project which is create. Okay, so what happens, see, on the left side you can see that all these things which are, this is this is actually the video. Okay, this is the original video. Okay, and on the right side you can see this is the speaker one and how it has converted that into an English, like, sorry, Hindi translation. It is translated to Hindi. You can see here. Okay, now take a walk out there. अब वहाँ बाहर टहलने जाओ. By myself, अकेले. Go on, PP. Calm down. So chalo, PP, shant ho jao. Like that, you can find each and every word in that particular video which is being translated. And here you can see this is what. Just scroll down. You can play this. See, it is actually playing in Hindi. Okay, so this is what actually the original video. Okay, this is the original. This is the original video, and if you see the chat trans. Okay, this is the entire video. It has been converted, it had been translated. Okay, and you can see even the video, you can see the translated words are there. So what is the thing which you can find is what the translated video is artificial, right? Because there is no feelings there, there is no excitement. It will just simply uh, give you the translated sentence, whereas in your original video you can find the real emotions, real feelings and everything. So that is why this is under in a preview mode. Okay, so gradually they will be doing all these changes to that, and you can see the video which is converted and also the content here. Okay, this is how. And if you want to go ahead with the settings, so for example speaker one, if you want to make it as a female you can make it. Okay, and you have some three predefined female voice, and for male you have some four predefined male voice. Okay, if you want to change that you can also change that and see. Okay, I'm just going to make it as speaker one as a female. Okay, you can just play and. Okay, so let me just click update. Okay, what happens, let us see. So this is the speaker one, right? So this is the speaker one. Okay, it's updating actually. Okay, you can see speaker 4, speaker 2. Okay, speaker 1. We have changed that voice settings for the speaker one, right? Okay, you can find that in the speaker one, and there is no, okay, speaker 2 name, speaker 3, speaker 4, and speaker 5. Okay, we have updated. I think it's taking some time to update. Okay. Okay, it is updating, so let us we have to wait for some time. Got it. So this is how you have to do. Okay, you have to click save. Okay, you have to save the changes as well. Let us see now. Okay, it's not updated. Probably, yeah. So video translation API is coming soon. Here they are mentioned out this fill form for approval for early access and the preview. So you can even submit your form for the early access. Okay. So this is what video, like you can even in the speech studio you can upload your video and you can see how it is working out. So this is what we have tried, video translation preview. You can even do with the live chat avatar, you can change that as well. Okay, you can try that. We will try that later. We will look into each and every services in detail, okay, after all these labs completed. So I hope you found something useful in this video. So connect with me if you require any certifications or any other like help in your technology or your career, so you can see there. I'll see you soon with the next session tomorrow on document intelligence. Okay, take care. I'm just waiting for the questions, so you can leave your questions here.